Hello friends, today we are going to be making chicken breast in an onion and tomato sauce, and on the side we are going to have rice and vegetables with a little bit of soy sauce. This is a very tasty recipe. Found it on the internet. I tried it already a couple of times and it's always comes out very good. So let's begin with the rice. Let's wash it very well until the water is clear, and put the rice in a pot, cover it with water and let it stand while we making the chicken. Cut the chicken into medium cubes and peel some garlic for seasoning. Now grind the garlic or cut it really thin and add it to the chicken, and add salt, paprika, black pepper and whatever you like in your chicken. For example, I'm adding a Georgian condiment called smelly suneli, which is super good with anything. Add it to meat, add it to chicken, and it's amazing. So whatever you like in your chicken with regard to seasoning, you can add. Now mix everything well and let stand for at least 30 minutes. And now let's get to the onion. So peel and cut 2 red onion and 2 white onion. Now we are going to prepare all the ingredients in advance. Peel and cut some carrots, then cut some peppers. Then you would left with 1 onion, and we would cut it really thinly. Not really thinly, but quite thinly for the rice. Now we have all the ingredients ready, and this is called mise en place, when you prepare everything in advance. And this is a very good practice in cooking or baking. Before you turn on the oven, prepare all the ingredients so that you would have everything and you are not missing anything. So now we have the mise en place ready. Let's begin cooking. So on one pan we are adding oil and putting the onions until they become soft, and then we add in the tomato puree. On a second pan we are adding oil and we begin cooking the chicken on a medium heat until it is cooked. Now the onion has softened, so we add in the tomato puree, some salt and some water, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then we are going to be adding it to the chicken. Now when the onion had simmered for 20 minutes, add it to the chicken, cover with lid, and let's simmer on low to medium heat for about 30-40 minutes until all the water had evaporated. Don't forget to mix once in a while so that it would not get burned on the bottom. And now, if you feel comfortable, you can do everything at once. We are going to be making the vegetables and the rice while the chicken is cooking. If you're not feeling comfortable, finish with one thing and begin with another thing. But if you do feel comfortable, you can do everything at once. So let's put one oil on one pan and begin with the onions. And on a second stove we are going to be cooking our rice. So the rice needs to be covered with about 2 fingers of water above the rice, and the rice need to boil, and then almost all the water evaporates. You cover the rice with a lid, take it off the stove, and it needs to stand for about 15 minutes. That's how we are making the rice. And now the onion needs to get a little bit softer. When it is getting softer, we are putting the carrots, and with the carrots the same thing. The carrots will get a bit softer. We are adding the peppers. When the peppers would get a bit softer, we are adding the corn. You see that almost all the water evaporated from the rice. Cover it with a lid and let stand for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can add some butter and some soy sauce into the rice, mix it well and cover with lid again, and let's stand for about another like 15 minutes until we are preparing the vegetables. The chicken, add some dill and mix the vegetables with the rice, and your dish is ready. Just plate and enjoy. It's very tasty. I'm sure you would like it. Bon appetit.